Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Recently I have done my thesis in prediction of beta thalassemia major using machine learning and data mining algorithms. So I am here to share my research and experience with you. First of all, I have collected the dataset from the various centers of thalassemia major. You can take any dataset from any hospital or center. I have done this project in Python. First of all, I have done the analysis of features. Here you can see I identified the missing values in the attributes. There is no missing value, so we have identified it in the heat map and several techniques to identify the missing values. The analysis of the final class, how many to identify how many class values are present in the dataset. The feature analysis of different attributes individually. I have tried the different combinations of different attributes so that I can analyze the dataset very well. So all the coding lines are mentioned in this file. Actually, I have done it in the Python and Google Colab. Here you can see the heat map, which is showing the correlations between all attributes, and this is the scattered plot of showing the major class values. So this is the file of analysis of features. The next I have done the analysis in the naive-Bayes classifier. I used the naive-Bayes classifier for the prediction. First of all, I read the dataset, and secondly I choose my target values. Then I split the dataset into 7:30 ratios. Then I have built the model to train the classifier in the 70% dataset. Then I have used the 30% dataset for the prediction. So the total accuracy of naive-Bayes classifier is 91%. When I see the matrix, it shows the actual prediction and the predicted labels. So the confusion matrix is, you can see, I have done the two methods in this research. First, I have used with the all attributes, and the second I have used with the few attributes. I have calculated the feature importance of all attributes and selected few of them. So the prediction with the few attributes increases as compared to the all attributes. This is the coding of naive-Bayes classifier in the Python. Secondly, second algorithm I have used is the KNN, k nearest neighbor, you can say. Here I have choose the attributes for the target values, train the dataset by using 3 nearest neighbors, and the accuracy I have achieved is 96%. The third one is decision tree. Same, I have choose the target variables to train the model. 70% is the training dataset and the 30% is the testing dataset. I have trained the model, and the accuracy I have achieved is 98% in the decision tree classifier. So here you can see the decision tree. So this is a complex decision tree, and you can it is time consuming and time wasting to understand the complex decision tree. So pruning the decision tree is the most important to understand the patterns of the dataset. So after pruning, I have achieved the accuracy of 97%, and after pruning the dataset, the attributes and decision tree look like this. So the fourth one is the linear regression. Same, I have trained the dataset and into 70-30 ratios, and the accuracy I have achieved is 93% in the linear regression. After that, I have done the analysis in the logistic regression. The training dataset into 70% ratio and the testing dataset in 30% ratio, and the accuracy I have achieved in the logistic regression is 94%. So the next algorithm I have used is neural network. The 70% dataset is used for the training and the 30% dataset is used for the testing. Here the training of neural networks has been done. So the 10 epoch values I have used to train the neural network. You can see. So after in the neural network, I have achieved the accuracy is 92% in the first epoch, and in the final epoch I have achieved the accuracy is of 97%, because neural network is trained itself after each epoch, so the accuracy is improved from first to final epoch. So the final algorithm is random forest. Random forest classifier is the best classifier for the prediction and classification of any dataset which have the class value, the label value. So the 70% and 30% dataset is used for the test, and the n estimator is 100, which means the 100 trees will be built using when we predict the value of the dataset. So the accuracy achieved in this model is 99%, which is the highest accuracy among all the algorithms. So we can say this is the best algorithm among all. So all these algorithms are and model built in the Python and Google Colab, and you can see my thesis file. It takes time to open the PDF file. Yeah, it's open now. Here you can see the complete thesis. Let me show you the content, table of contents. Here you can see. introduction, literature review, algorithms, performance measurement, purpose, methodology, which I have done by these models, experiments and results. You can see Nair-based decision tree, KN and random forest, which I have shown you in the coding files, conclusion feature matrix, and the references. So this is the whole research. You can see there are 63 pages showing results and all the research. So if you guys need any help in your thesis or regarding your machine learning projects or any data mining projects, you can guys contact me at any time. I will give the number in the description, so you can contact me at any time. Thank you.